Welcome again to Simple Science Thursday. Today what we're going to do is we're going to make our own volcano. So normally what they would ask you to do is have a soda bottle, but since I'm not a big soda drinker, I'm going to try two different bottles. I'm going to try a seltzer bottle, which is about 33 ounces, and I'm going to try a Gatorade bottle. Notice the different shapes because I wonder if that'll have an effect on how the volcano works. The Gatorade bottle is also about 32 ounces. You're also going to need some dish soap, some baking soda. This is my baking soda. Just some water and white vinegar. And this is a giant bottle. You obviously don't need a giant bottle, but you will need about 1.5 cups of vinegar. What I am going to do, because I'm using smaller bottles, I'm going to cut what I'm using in half. So normally, what you would have is 2 teaspoons of dish soap, roughly 1/2 cup of cold water, about 1.5 cups white vinegar, and then you would make a slurry out of baking soda and water. And what you would use is a cup like this and fill half of it with baking soda and half of it with water, and then stir it until it becomes a liquid. So then what I'm going to do is take all those measurements and cut them in half and try them in both of my bottles and see what happens. I almost forgot to tell you that we need food coloring as well. And so what you do is you're going to take your dish soap, you're going to take your vinegar, and you're going to take your food coloring, and you're going to pour them into your empty bottles that you have. And then next we're going to do our slurry by, as I said, taking half of this cup and using baking soda, filling that about halfway, and then the rest of it filling with water, and then mixing it up to make a slurry. And then we'll take these bottles outside and we'll see what happens. Okay, hopefully it's not too bright out here and everybody can see this okay. And we are going to try our baking soda mixture, which is called a slurry. We're going to try it in the Gatorade bottle first. Here we go. Can you see it? Isn't that cool? All right, let's try our seltzer bottle. See if we get, because it's narrower, see if we get a bigger eruption. Here we go. Did you see that? Look, even the force of it knocked the bottle over. I think that's kind of neat. Here we go.